stays with this air filter box. It can be separated, but this one has a really nice seal. So, alright, so the car is the 1988 through 1991 Honda Civic wagon, but 4-door CRX hatchback should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. Air intake system is a whole complex. You have your intake tube, comes to a Y, a resonator box, your air filters in there, and then you have another intake manifold tube that sucks air through this whole system. So mice likes to live in here. You could have all sorts of issues with this thing not mating up here. It'll give you a check engine light, bad oxygen readings or whatever it would have. Going for this bolt on our resonator. Resonator box, air chamber sometimes it's called. I'm going to need an extra extension to fit into this kind of hidden bolt. There's only 2 bolts holding this thing on, but you kind of got to know where the second one is. Down here. And these were kind of odder long bolts that were holding these on, so we want to keep those separate with that guy. That Y joint, W-Y-E, so far, then they stay with assembly.